What are 5 steps to become a TEDx speaker in 2023? What are they? Let's find out. By the way, if you are serious about becoming a TEDx speaker this year, I highly recommend you check out my free training, so click the button down below. So step number 1, you want to create your great title. Yeah, as you might know, the TED slogan is ideas worth spreading. So you got to create an idea, you got to create a title for your presentation, for your speech that's really worth spreading. And I think this is where most applicants, they fall short. They don't have a great title. So you got to remember, the first and most important thing of the whole application process and the whole process of becoming a TEDx speaker is you have to find your great title. Step number 2, create a short outline. So after you have your great idea, your great title, which is the most important thing, because this is really what the organizers will really pick you based on. Yeah, but the next thing that you need, then you gotta have a short summary. The organizers wanna see a short summary of your speech, of your presentation. And most TEDx, people who want to be TEDx speakers, apply too early. They're not ready, they don't have an outline ready, they don't have a summary ready. Yeah, so make sure you have a summary ready. And then step number 3, find TEDx organizers. So the easiest way to do it, you go and jump on Google and you type into Google TEDx events. What you will then see, you're gonna be directed, probably usually the first result is that sends you directly to the TEDx event list. And then you will see this planet, a globe. You see all these blue dots of the TEDx events. And what you want to do, you want to check out for TEDx events that you could potentially speak at, that you would be interested in speaking at. And then check out more detailed information to find out more about the organizers. And one quick warning here, TEDx organizers accept less than 1% of applicants every single year. Okay, so again, you got to really stand out. Great title is the most important thing, and then the right way of applying, that's the next important thing. But that 1% shouldn't stop you, because you can become one of the 1%. And then step number 4, you submit your applications. And what I'm going to tell you now, most people don't want to hear. In fact, they're like, Ben, why did you have to tell me this? Well, you have to know the truth. But most TEDx speakers have applied to 30 or more. There are cases of 200 applications before they were ever accepted as a TEDx speaker. And I'm telling you this not to discourage you, but to encourage you, but to have a more realistic view. Because if you send it just to one TEDx and you get rejected, don't go crying in the corner, I'm terrible, they didn't take me. Don't do that, okay? Keep going, keep applying to multiple. Again, this should be a 1-year process for you. You should spend 1 year. In some cases, if you're not accepted after a year, even more than that. But you gotta be willing to put in the work, and you gotta be willing to be busy. And then step number 5, you want to create, you want to practice, and then you want to deliver your great TEDx speech. And each of these steps is absolutely crucial. If in any of these steps, you're not great enough, you're not good enough, you don't move to the level where you should be, even though you give a TEDx speech, even though you got in, but you will not see the results from the TEDx speech that you were really hoping for. So in the end, after getting in, delivering an amazing speech, an amazing presentation is absolutely key. So the 5th step is so crucial. So comment down below one time if you are committed to becoming a TEDx speaker in 2023 or after that even, right? Let me know down below. What was the biggest takeaway from this little video training here? Please let me know, all right? If you're new here, by the way, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss on future videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.